As you might have seen, we build a lot of setups here on our channel, mostly focusing on console and PC gaming setups. With that comes buying a lot of products online in order to build and improve these setups over time. We take a lot of pride in the quality of parts we use and try to get the best of the best whenever possible. We are very privileged to be able to do this for ourselves, but that doesn't mean we want to spend more than necessary either. We are always on the lookout for deals, and there's no better place to do so than online, especially now that Black Friday is coming up. Thankfully, we don't have to do much manual work in order to find the best deals or cashback, and that is thanks to today's sponsor, Coupert, who are even going to give users up to 15% extra cashback for Black Friday. Coupert is a free browser extension designed to help you save money when you shop online. To install it, simply click the link in the description below, select download, and install it to your browser. Coupert works to help you by automatically testing different coupon codes and applying the best one when you go to checkout. It also offers cashback on purchases, so you can save money even when there are no coupon codes available. You can then reward these cashbacks to PayPal, gift cards, or directly to your bank account. Coupert also lets you check the price information across websites so you know you're getting the best deal. This is a great tool to have available during the Black Friday sales, both for the cashback and coupons, but also to check which store is offering the best deal, all available to you by simply clicking the browser extension. Coupert is also offering extra cashback during Black Friday, so definitely something worth taking advantage of if you plan to spending money anyway. Thankfully, Coupert is supported on a variety of browsers, such as Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari, both on phones and desktops, so you should be covered no matter which of these browsers you prefer using. It's a very popular extension, used by over 6 million people every week on desktop and 3 million on mobile. They are partnered with over 200,000 merchants all across the world in order to make this as comprehensive and useful as possible for you to use when shopping. Something that we just bought on an early Black Friday sale is a new lightweight laptop, in order to do simple work on the go or from the comfort of the couch. This is something we love doing during the colder months, especially as it can get hard to stay warm when sitting at a desk all day. Who wouldn't work from the couch from time to time if you had the option to? We typically use Windows computers, but decided to try out one of the new MacBooks, specifically the MacBook Air 2025 with an M4 chip. We found the one that we were looking for on Best Buy, and Coupert showed us that we could get around 0.4% cashback on it. It might not be much, but it's money we otherwise wouldn't have, simply by having the extension installed. Plus, it gives us the peace of mind that we are getting the best price available and not forgetting about any additional coupons. A MacBook will now add a lot of variety to our setup since we didn't previously own any Apple computers, which feels lacking when we are so invested into tech. Plus, it feels good to cover our bases and have hands-on experience. We feel the same way about having all the gaming consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo, even though we game on PlayStation for 99% of the time. Sadly, Apple products are expensive, which is why we had to wait to get one until the Black Friday sale started. It is really the perfect time to go looking for new upgrades, although be careful not to get tricked by false sales, where companies increase the prices close to Black Friday in order to give you a seemingly higher discount. Thankfully, Coupert also lets you check the price history of items to make sure you're getting a good deal, and it seems like we made a good decision buying the MacBook. We also noticed that Coupert has a section on their website for suggested deals, where we found an Anker Powerbank 25,000 mAh portable charger on Amazon for a really good price. Only $84 in total, including 7.8% cashback at $7 for total savings of over $50. We use power banks daily and have had great experiences with the Anker ones, and you really can't go wrong at this price point. There are also featured stores here that offer even better cashback options, such as NordVPN with up to 30% cashback. Add this on top of already saving over 70% from the NordVPN Black Friday sale, and you've got a great deal. What about you? What are you looking for this Black Friday season? Or have you already gone shopping? We are curious to know, so please comment down below. Please also feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. We have more Black Friday themed videos going out soon, so stay tuned for even more tips. Plus, of course, more tech reviews and setup tour videos being uploaded soon as well. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Best of luck this Black Friday, and don't forget to use the Coupert browser extension to make smarter decisions. Make sure to check the description below for a link to the website and app so that you can get started on saving money today. Thank you so much to Coupert for sponsoring this video and helping our viewers, you, to shop smarter.